If you've ever thought, why do some people just seem lucky with money? You're about to find out why. This is how you can use Lucky Girl Syndrome to attract wealth effortlessly. Lucky Girl Syndrome isn't just a TikTok trend, it's a mindset, a belief that everything always works out in your favor, including money. It's about reprogramming your subconscious to expect abundance. Step 1. Assume you're already abundant. Your brain responds to the identity you live in, so instead of thinking, I hope I get money, say, money loves me. It always finds me. Feel the truth of it in your body. Step 2. Affirm like a lucky girl. Repeat affirmations daily. I'm so lucky, money flows to me from unexpected sources. Make them your phone wallpaper. Say them in the mirror. Let them become your default setting. Don't obsess over how the money comes. Trust that your energy is magnetic. Lucky girls don't chase, they attract. The universe doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to energy. Show up as if it's already yours. Lucky Girl Syndrome isn't about chance, it's about alignment. Remember, you're not asking to be lucky, you're realizing you already are. The Prosperous Goddess within you, she's been waiting to rise. Subscribe to the Prosperous Goddess for more feminine energy and manifestation magic. Affirm in the comments, I am the luckiest girl alive. Money always finds me.